Yes, good morning. Okay, in the previous class, I have been discussed about the data types. Then we'll go for the Python operators. Okay, there are 7 different operators are there basically. Arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, identity operator, membership operator, and bitwise operator. We'll go one by one. Okay, first is the arithmetic operator. In the arithmetic operator, different operations are there. The arithmetic operators, different operations are there. Say, first is the addition, subtraction, multiplication, modulus, division. In the division, there are 2 things. One is for the float and second is for the floor, and 7th one is for the power. Okay, we'll take the example. Say a equal to 17 and b equal to 5. I have defined it to variables a and b. I have assigned some values is for the objects 17 and 5. We use one more variable c equal to a plus b. It gives a result store back to the assignment using assignment operator. It assigned value back to the c. If you use c enter or the print by using the print c, we can display the result, that is 22. 17 plus 5, 22. Similarly, c equal to a minus b. C can be is 17 minus 5 is 12. Similarly, c equal to a divided by b. A divided by b. What is this? Here, a divided by b is called, it gives a result float, that is 17 by 5, which is equal to 3.4. It is called the float result. It is called the single division. It is called the float. If you use same thing, c equal to a double divided by b, it gives the integer result, that is float. That is 3. The difference between the single division and the double division. Single is a divided by b, it gives the float result. A double divided by b, it gives the floor integer value. Okay. Any doubts in this? Next, a equal to a modulus of b. A modulus of b is remainder. Use the remainder, that is 17 divided by 5. Remainder is 2. Okay. One is addition and one more is multiplication. A star b, that is 17 into 5 is 85. Okay, these are the different operations of the 6 different operations. I have not told one more is for the power. For example, a equal to, I assigned with a small number, a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. If you use c equal to a double star of b, that is 2 to the power of 3. It indicates that 2 to the power of 3, which is the 2 to the power of 3 is 8. You see that c equal to 8. Okay, you can use any number of that power. For example, you have used a equal to 10, b equal to 3, then c equal to a double star b, which is equal to c equal to 1000. That is 10 to the power of 3. It is power. There are the different 7 operations. One is for the, first is for the addition, subtraction, multiplication, modulus. In the division, there are 2 things are there. One is for the float, second is for the floor, and last one is for the power. These are the different operations present in arithmetic operation. Arithmetic law, these are the different operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, modulus, division, division of float and floor, then power. Here a plus b equal to, for example, a equal to 17 and b equal to 5, then a plus b equal to 22 and a minus b, a star b, a modulus b, a by b, a double divided by b, a double star b. This is output of this thing. Okay, it is about the arithmetic operation. First law, operator law, arithmetic operator. Second one is called the comparison operator. What is comparison? Comparison is, we can compare, that is by using the comparator. Either it can be greater than, less than, or equal. Three operations can be performed by using the comparison. Is that number, that object is, both the objects are equal, or they are differ, or they are same. Okay, that by using the result, the output result gives only two things. One is for the true, indicates that the output is 1. False, it gives the result is 0. True is 1, false is 0. It is condition is correct. For example, say here I have used a equal to 13 and b equal to 33. It indicates a 13 is not greater than 33. That means it indicates that the condition is false. It gives the condition is false. That 13 is less than 33. That is true. A equal to a double equal to b. A and b are not equal. For that, it gives the condition is false. A not equal to b. They are not equal. Condition is true. A is greater than or equal to b. Condition is false. A is less than or equal to b. Condition is true. It's about the comparison operator. We'll take okay. For example, take a equal to 13 and b equal to 33. Then take a is greater than b. No indicates it is a false. It gives a result is false. Okay, a less than b, condition is true. It gives a result is true. Next operation is a double equal to b. They are not equal. That condition is false. If you use a equal to 3 and b equal to 3, then if you use a double equal to b, then it gives a condition is true. Similarly, if you use a not equal to b, they are equal. They are not equal. This condition is false. Okay. Next is a less greater than or equal to b. Condition is true. Okay. Similarly, a less than or equal to b. Condition is true because they are equal. One condition is satisfying. One condition is satisfying. It gives the result is true. If you use a equal to 13 and b equal to 33, if you use a is less than or equal to b, it gives the true. Similarly, a is greater than or equal to b gives false result. Okay, it is about the comparison. It is about the comparison. Any doubts in this?
నేను ఆఫీస్లో పడాల్సిన అబద్ధాలన్నీ నేను పోయానని నేనే స్వయంగా వెళ్ళి ఆఫీస్లో చెప్పుకోవాలి.
Okay, any doubts in this? It is about the comparison operation. Okay, there are compare operator greater than, less than, equal, not equal. Next is the logical operators. There are 3 logical operators are there basically. One is called and logically, or logically, and logical not operator. Okay, that logical and truth table, if both the operands are true, the output is, if the both inputs are high, then output is 1. True, then output is true. any one condition fails, then output is 0. Similarly, either condition true if either of the operand is true, then for the OR output is high. Not operator is if the input is true, output automatically it false. True if the operand is false, not X. It is about the logical operator. Okay, for example, take A equal to true and B equal to false. We use A and of B. That is, first is true followed by the false. If we use both the true, result is true. If either one is false, automatically output is false. Similarly, A or of B. Here one condition is true. For that, output is true. Next, not of A. A is true condition. Not of A is, it is the output is false. We take the for example, A equal to T, capital T, TRUE, true, B equal to false, FALSE. Then if you take C equal to A and of B, then if you use C enter, automatically it is in a false. Or you can directly use A or B, it gives the true. Next, not of A, it gives the false. Not of B, it gives the B is under the false. B have defined false. For that, it gives the true. Okay, it is about the logical law and logical or logical, then not logical, invert. Okay, next is the bitwise operators. Okay, next is the bitwise operator. Bitwise, that is symbol and or not XR. Here they are the two operator, shift right and shift left operation. It is the bitwise operator, acts on bits and perform the bit by bit operation. These are used to perform on binary number. It is the operation is performed on the binary number. If you enter a decimal number, it converts into the binary system, and that binary operator of the number will convert, then operates on that result. It gives a result. True is 1, false is 0. Okay, here bitwise operators. This is operators and symbol or XOR and not operator. For example, we'll take one example. For example, I used A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. It indicates that here B is nothing but as. In this case, A is nothing but as. For 10, the equivalent value is if you convert into the binary format, it is equal to 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Here 8 plus 2, comma. If we use the 20 is 16 plus 4, 16 plus 4. It is the 20. Okay. If you operate on the say C equal to A ampersand symbol and B, then the result of this is, if you perform these two operations, first bit, MSB bit is 0. In this case, MSB bit is 1. Here, second is 1. Here is 0. Third bit is 0. Here 1. 1, 0, 0, 0. Output of this is 0. Entire thing is here. They are not, any bit will not be matches with this one. The output of this is 0. So if you use C enter, output is 0. Similarly, if you use C equal to A or of B, automatically A or of B is, here if you add from the LSB bit of the B to the LSB bit of the A, it is 0 plus 0. Here 0, 1 is 1. Next is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 carry, 1, 1. It is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Output of this is 30. Output of this is 30. C equal to 30. Because if you add these two, 10 plus 20, automatically it is 30. Result is, that is OR, bit by bit operator, bitwise it operates. Okay, it is over the bit operator. Next is the NOT. NOT operator is C equal to NOT of A. That it inverts that 0 to 1, 1 to 0 it makes, that is 11. Minus 11 is the output of that one. Any doubts? Okay, it is about the logical operators. In the logical bitwise operators, here we have two more things are there, that is called the shift right and shift left. One is called the right operator. Right operator is called the division, divide by 2. Shift right operator is divide by 2. Shift left operator is multiply by 2. For example, if you use A equal to 2, if you operate this shift right operation, that is A, right is A greater than symbol, by how many times? A has to right shift by 1 time. It gives that right shift is divide by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. C equal to 1. Similarly, if you use left shift, multiply by 2. 1 time, that is multiply by 2 into 2 is 4. C equal to 4. Here left shift ante divide by 2 చేస్తుంది, right shift ante multiply by 2 చేస్తుంది. నేను ఇచ్చిన నంబర్, for example, if you use A equal to 22, if you use left shift, C equal to left shift, A left shift by 1 times, that is 22 into 2 is 44. A enter, C equal to okay, right left shift ante divide, right shift ante divide, left shift ante multiply. If you use C equal to A 2 times, what should be output? 5. C is the 5. Here why it is not 5.5? Why it has been took a 5 itself? Here initially It is 22. 22 divided by 2. It is the 11. 11 divided by 2. It is takes the 5. That is an integer value. It is not takes a float value. Okay, that is the reason. It is about the called the shift operation, shift right and shift left. Okay, general operation. It operates shifting the bit positions of the defined object. Okay. Next, that is shift operation, shift right and shift left operations. Here, for example, take a number 14. If you use a right shift, that means it makes a one empty right side. I mean, no, shift right. It makes a empty, and empty is filled by the null value 0. Then it occupies the that D7 will be moved to the D6, D6 to the D5, and last bit will be moved to the carry location. That is, this 0 is moved to the carry location. That means if you have defined the A equal to 14, A equal to 14 by 2, that multiplies as 7 itself. Okay, the internal operation will be carried by like this. 14 is 8 plus 4 plus 2. That is 14. This 14 is defined object. If you right shift one times, automatically it divides by 2. It gives a result is 7. Once again, if you make the shift by one time, right shift by one time, 14, right shift by one time, above result will be shifted one more time. That it makes one more location empty, and it shuffles. It will moves from this location. Okay, that means 7 divided by 2, it is equal to 3. It is the operation of the, if you once again shift the bit this 1 by 1 time, it gives a result is 3 by 2 is 1, not 1.5. If you shift one time. Okay, similarly, it is for the right shift. For the left shift operation, it empties the left side bit and it transfer the bit from this direction. It is for the left shift operation for the one time. It is nothing but as a simply shifting a bit positions from the D0 bit to the D1 bit. It occupies the position. D1 bit occupies the position of the D0 bit occupies the position of the D1. Similarly, D1 bit will occupies the position of the D2. That means that here it is an empty. Empty is filled with a 0. Here it is shifting to this bit, the D1, D0 is shifted to the D1. That means here 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Last bit will move to the carry. Okay, this entire thing is nothing but as a 0. Here first is 2 plus 8 plus 16. That is 28. Output of this is 28. Okay, 16 plus 8 plus 4. If you use this, it is 14. It's not 24. If you use a 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 14. Okay, if you use a initial value is 7, 7 multiplied by 2, one time shift left means multiplied by 2, which is equal to 14. If you use 14 multiplied by 2, it is 28. Okay, it is about the shift operation. Next is assignment operators. Assignment operators, already you know the assignment operators. Equal to, plus equal to, it is nothing but as an A. It is simply A plus equal to B. That is nothing but as an A equal to A plus B. Similarly, A minus B, A minus equal to B, which is equal to A equal to A minus B. Already you know these operators. Okay, A star B, A star in equal to B, which is equal to A equal to A into B. All the operators or whatever the operators we have discussed. A simple example, A equal to 10. When we assign this A B equal to A, then value of the A is assigned to the B. That B is initialized, assigned a value of A. Okay, print B is nothing but a 10. If you use B plus equal to A, that means B plus A is assigned to the B. That is 10 plus 10 is assigned to the B. Similarly, B minus equal to A, that is B minus A, B is 20, 20 minus 10, which is equal to 10, 10 assigned to the B. Similarly, B is 10, B star equal to A, that is B into A, B is 10, A is 10, 10 into 10 equal to 100. Next is B left shift by the A, it is operates the bitwise left shift operation. Okay, identity operators. Identity operators are the two, there are two identity operators are there, is and is not. They are the two operators, is not. Okay, is and is not. Is used to return a true if both variables are the same objects. Returns true when both x and y are the same objects. Returns true. Returns false when both are not same. If you use is, that is if A is C, if both are same, then it gives a true. If both are different, they gives a false result. Is an identity operator. Is not and is. Is not is reverse of that. Is not returns true if both variables are not the same. Okay, this is about the identity operator. Next, membership operator. Membership operator. There are two membership operators are there, in and not in. One is for the in, second is for the not in. Return a true if the sequence with the specified value is present in the object. If within the range, is that in x in y, is that is the x value is present in y. If it is there, then it gives a true. If it is not there, it gives a false. Simply x in y. The x is in y, yes, then gives a true. If it is not there, then it gives a false. Simply not reverse of not in, it is reverse of that. Okay, for example, in 1 minute I will close this. Okay, for example, I have defined x equal to 24, y equal to 30. I have defined some list equal to list within a square bracket 10, 20, 30, 40. This one, if it's a conditional, if x not in list, x is not in list, yes, is 24 is not in list, it gives a condition is true. Condition is true, it indicates that it prints this statement. It will not print a else statement. Okay, next, if y in list, y is 20 is there in the list, it is present, then it prints the y is present in the given list. Here x is not present in the given list, y is present in the list. 24 is not in list, 20 is in list, not in list is true condition. Okay, it is about the in and not in things. Okay, that is for the membership operators. Next is for the precedence and associatives. Precedence, when we use precedence, expression with a more than one operator with a different precedence to determine which operation to be performed first. If you have any more precedence, precedence is priority. Which one has to give a highest priority? Precedence is priority, assigning priority levels. Next, associative. If an expression contains two or more operators with the same precedence, for example, addition as well as subtraction has the same precedence. Under that condition, which operator will take the first operation? On that, it can either be left to right or from the right to left operation has to be based on the operator selection things. Okay, it is about the precedence and associative.